using some very sad bananas. Going to mash them up now. Welcome. I'm Eileen Judd, the Busymoneybee. I'm a mom of 4 and an expert in frugal living and making cheap meals. Today we'll be making some yummy, healthy banana bread. And you'll need a 1/2 cup of butter, which equals 1 stick, 2 cups sugar, 2 eggs, 1 cup milk, 1 teaspoon vanilla, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 2 teaspoon baking powder, 2 cups flour, 1 cup quick oats, 3 bananas mashed, 1 cup ground flaxseed, and to preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Also, be sure to take a screenshot of this for future reference. And remember to hit subscribe for more videos like this because I post every Tuesday. Now let's get on with this. Bring in the eggs and the butter.
Before your life was so boring, I got up, went to work just to get back home and repeat. Before you I just felt nothing, I didn't dare to take risks. Now we be staying up all night, we don't have to sleep cause we're crazy.
Using some very sad bananas. Going to mash them up now.
Yeah. Oh, even if we start to fight, we know we can work it out, baby. Ooh, you make me wanna shout at the top of my lungs. You make me wanna jump when you tell me to jump. You make me wanna love like I'm 20 years young. With you I'm not the same, with you I'm not afraid. You make me wanna run like a kid with the kite. You make me wanna die from a cliff way too high. You make me wanna go where there's nowhere to hide.
Alright, filled them up about third or halfway. I did 4 pans. I also filled up these muffin tins just for fun. I already put 2 in the oven. I'm just going to add 2 more in the muffin tins. Put them in the oven for about 30 minutes and I'll come check on them. Alright. Hello. Adding sugar. Right after it gets out of the oven. Yummy. Alright, the banana bread is done. Doesn't it look gorgeous? Hit the subscribe and like button and click on one of these videos up here just for you. Until next time, happy savings. Bye.
You're not the same.